Where can you find for sale by owner data? Okay, we already went over this, guys. Mojo, Redx, Landvoice, Vulcan, Zillow. All of them except Zillow is paid services. They're going to range anywhere between $40 to $60 a month for you to have access to the for sale by owner data. If you don't want to pay that kind of money in the beginning, honestly, if I were you, I would not. I would just use Zillow. I would use Craigslist. I would use Facebook Marketplace for sale by owner. Even driving, like you would be surprised. I would say about 20 to 30% of the for sale by owners, they're not even listed online. They put sign outside and they're hoping and praying that they're going to get a top dollar for their house. Still, at this point, we're in 2021. So if you see it and you don't see it online, but you see the sign outside when you're driving, pull up to the house, take a picture of it, and call. I probably picked up 10, 15 listings in the last 8 years, just like that. It was not on Craigslist, was not on Zillow, was not on any of these websites. It was a for sale by owner sign outside. I would call, I would introduce myself, I would get in, I would see the house, I would get a list.